Okay. Oh, well, yeah.
Brent's gonna cross this creek on this old dead tree here. Getting an adrenaline rush. Crossing this, it could be a little dangerous. Well, there's a lot of snow around here. You can do that? It's not gonna roll and fall? Better hope not.
This don't break, old dude. This don't break on. Alright. Getting it?
Yeah. I'm on the very end of the tree myself.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm standing on the end here with the roots.
Shoot my ass.
Oh, yay.
For all females.
All your women Twitter fans.
Wow.
Oh, this is awesome, dude. Well, I bet that was a drill rush. It's a good shot.
Yeah. It wasn't
Wow.
bad.
Minute 17.
Turn around now.
Wow, I'm on the tree too.
Let me come around here real quick. Or you can stop it. Well, no, keep rolling.
Keep rolling. Be careful, man.
I'm alright. It's only
Well, I can feel it move a little bit.
It's only 20 feet, Joel.
Only 20 feet. Break your arm, your neck.
Yeah.
Don't fall. Wow, this is badass.
I can't do this, Dad. You have to go.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get out of here. This is just a badass shot right here.
Alright.
Alright.
Hello. What are you doing? Give me. Nice one.
Are you getting an adrenaline rush or what?
Yeah, it's pretty freaky, man.
Pretty freaky?
Yeah, if you fall, you get hurt.
Well, it's rolling for 2 minutes, 15 seconds.
Nowhere, dude.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to be carrying you out of here.
Emergency help.
Wow, that was awesome.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Freaking climbing on a tree.
Okay, stop.
Going on a tree on the
Bye-bye. Till next time.
Granite Mtn Trail, Clark Springs.
Alright.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good moment.
Woo! That was awesome.
Well, I almost want to...
Hey, bye. We're out. Hey, bye.